What is happening, people? Welcome to another Team is Fit video. I am Atang, and today we're going to be showing you 6 chest workouts that you can try at the comfort of your home. This is a follow along video, so you can start with me anytime you want. Let's go!
Go!
So in our first exercise, we're going to be trying regular push-ups, but with a little different style. We're going to be trying slow eccentric and then fast concentric. And this is another tool you can use to build your muscles. Let's go!
The next exercise is going to be an archer push-up. An archer push-up is a great way of isolating your chest. So let me show you how that looks like. I'm going to go for 10 reps.
Our next exercise, we're going to be using P-bars, and the way to set them is to set them to be approximately like 3 to 3.5 fists apart. And this exercise will increase your range of motion, thus recruiting your motor units in order to build your muscles. Let's go!
So the next exercise is going to be a decline push-up. It's going to be putting more emphasis on your upper chest. We're going to go for 8 reps.
So on our last exercise, we're going to be trying an incline push-up, and for this exercise we're going to be putting more emphasis on our lower chest, and for this exercise we're going to go for 8 reps. Let's go! So that were our 5 chest workout exercises, and remember that for our first viewer for this video will win a free t-shirt. And don't forget to follow our Team is Fit YouTube channel and our Instagram pages. Let's go!
Go!